you. Today we are going to draw a nice artwork of flowers. Let's draw two small circles here, one in this place, another one in this place, additional one in this place. The petals of the flower is radially distributed like this. As you see, the drawing is getting clearer. Let's draw another flower here. Alright, another flower we can draw here. Okay, there's a curved line coming from top flower to the middle one, then another curved line. Combine it here with this flower. It's coming up here and go to the last point. This is the leaves. Two leaves here, another leaf here, other leaf here, okay. Let's put few dots in the middle of the small circles. We can put red color in the center. Nice color for the petals here. For each petal, it's darker on one side and lighter on other side. As you see, as I proceed to the final stages of the drawing, it's look nice and visually pleasant. Let's draw the connection sticks of the flowers from the beginning to the end, and we can put the light green shades for the leaves here. So few leaves on top. As you see, the detail outline was already done previously. Also you can see two leaves here. Alright, and the outline is already done. In this drawing you can see it's a nice flower decoration. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay with Blue Hands Drawing. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.